Hello guys and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how we can use Wrangle node in Mesh Morpher standalone to create our own logic uh, to work with our meshes, right? Our Mesh Morpher already has hundreds of nodes, but sometimes artists want to create their own logic. They feel something is missing and they want to implement themselves, right? Mesh Morpher enables this for artists, and I'm going to show you how right now. So as you can see, we have here load file mesh. This is metahuman head, and we are using for this test a primitive which is a sphere box, right? And Mesh Morpher already has like project and stuff like that. It has a very powerful wrapper, but we're gonna play with another type of projection, right? And I'm gonna show you immediately how to do it. So we're gonna create a new Wrangle node. Let's Wrangle. And when we select the node, we will see that it has no pins. So for our setup here, we want to add 2 pins. We want our mesh and our sphere box as a reference mesh, as a target mesh, right? So let's add 2 pins here, like this. And we're gonna call this, this is gonna be mesh. And the second one is gonna be a reference, right? We also need an output pin, which is gonna be also a mesh. We're gonna call it mesh as well. And now we have the pins created, and we need to add the logic. I already created the logic, so I'm just gonna copy paste it here. So this is it. We have the code here. It's actually shrink wraps, and it also aligns the mesh, our mesh with the reference, with the target, right? So the shrink wrap works better. So let's plug in the pins like this, and now we can see our both meshes, right? And if I click on run, now I can see that the mesh got projected on my target, right? This is done purely with Wrangle code, right? This is expressions. It's purely expressions, right? And this is the result. Obviously, from here you can recompute normals. You can recompute normals with our node, or you can recompute normals by using expressions. It's up to you. You can learn more about expressions by clicking the help button on the Wrangle node, and you will see the full documentation, what can be done, what it does, and stuff like that, right? It's a very complex node, and you can learn a lot from it, right? So now this is the example with the expressions, right? But Wrangle supports both Python and expressions in the same node, right? You can create Python logic and bring it back with Wrangle, and further edit with Wrangle, and then you can output it to the pin, right? I made an example here. This is a pure Python. This is the node logic here, and as you can see, in the Python is declared here, and then the Wrangle section is declared here, right? For the Wrangle, we're just copying it, right? We don't do anything for the Wrangle side. We can create the full UI. As you can see, OpenUI. OpenUI comes from the Python code here, and we can create a lot of the logic, so we can truly expand what Mesh Morpher can do, right? So I'm gonna open UI here, and this Python example of what it does. It's actually another a sculpt tool in Mesh Morpher, but created with the Python logic, right? And as you can see, we can use some tools that do not exist currently in Mesh Morpher build, right? We have Snake Hook, we have Crease, Blob, Nudge, Vortex, Polish, Magnet, and Wrinkle. And we can use these to do whatever we want to do. This is just an example. This Python Sculpt Lab, you can actually uh, generate with AI models offline. You can connect to API. You can do whatever you want to do. What you can do with Python, you can do it here, right? So you can work directly in Meshmorpher and take advantage of your scripts and what Meshmorpher can offer as well, right? If you want to change some aspects of the scripting logic here, you can put your own interpreter for Python, and you can just increase some budgets, so you can, in case you need more budget for the execution, you can fiddle up with these values here. And now I'm gonna open this UI again because I'm gonna show you something. So I'm gonna open UI, and I'm just gonna create some wrinkles here, right? Like this. And as you can see, we have here apply and close, cancel and reset. I'm just gonna click on apply and close, right? And now our mesh is properly uh, reflecting our changes. If I recompute normals, I can see it better. And another thing, right? So you've created a very complex node here, and you want to share it with some colleagues. You want to share it with some other people, or you want to have it available for all of your projects, not only in this particular graph, right? So I implemented a functionality which is called export node preset, right? And we can give it the name here, and it's gonna be what Python Sculpt Lab. I'm gonna leave you as the author. I can go here as Sculpt in category, and let's add some tags here. Sculpting in Python, right? And I can export this. It's gonna ask where we want to export. I'm gonna overwrite this file here. Let's confirm the save. And now what we can do is we can import nodes, right? This is how it looks when we import the node. And we have the option to add it only to this graph or install it globally, right? And I'm gonna install it globally. Now that this is installed globally, if I go to another project, I can see here Python Sculpt Lab by Livio. It's a Python script and it's my node, and I can use it everywhere I want, right? And then in any project, I can share it with anyone, and it's very easy to share the node, right? Otherwise, the only way to share the node here would have been to share the entire graph. Now we can do it like this. This is the scripting in Mesh Morpher. It's super powerful. You can literally create everything. You can expand the current functionality a lot. You have no limits. You can either use expressions, which are very powerful and they're parallelized, so it's super fast, or you can go ahead and use Python to go way further than expressions can possibly handle, right? So I hope you like this functionality, the Wrangle node. Let me know if you have any feedback, and see you around. Bye.